Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about genres and subgenres in our sixth grade reading. So we're going to be introducing Teak 6.3, where students that you guys are going to be able to analyze, make inferences, and draw conclusions about theme and genre. So we have to know something about genre. So we talked about how there's three categories: fiction, which is the not real stuff, that's the made up stuff; nonfiction, which is the real stuff, and we talked about how that's autobiographies and biographies and textbooks, stuff like that. And we touched a little bit on poetry. So today we are going to stick with fiction. See? So fiction subgenres. Sub means underneath. So these fall under fiction, as in realistic fiction, romance, drama, adventure, mystery, historical fiction, and science fiction are some of the few we're going to have a look at today. Okay, so realistic fiction. Stories like Wonder, Diary of a Kid, Hatchet. These are stories that are made up, but they could happen in real life. They're pretty realistic. They take place in present day, and the topics are friends and relationships, families, struggles, school, pets, stuff like that. How about romance? Once Upon a Broken Heart, Today, Tonight, Tomorrow, Glass Sword. These are all based on a central love story. It's emotionally satisfying at the end, and there's an optimistically happy ending in a romance. How about drama? Outsiders. That was then and this is now. The Fault in Our Stars. They could be comedy, they could be tragedy. They're dealing with disaster or pain or death, and there's a lot of talking. That means heavy on the dialogue. And mystery, one of my favorite genres. Okay, the Boy Detective, Encyclopedia Brown, Captive Witness. These are suspenseful stories. They're centered around a mysterious event, and the mystery is usually solved at the end, unless it's a series, and then they want to continue it so you can read more, right? How about adventure? It's action packed, dangerous, courageous heroes, evil adversaries. Found, Midnight Star, Catching Fire are all examples. Fantasy, one of my favorite genres. The Lightning Thief, Harry Potter, Artemis Fowl. They're imaginary. They have elements that are totally impossible, like talking animals and magical powers, right? That's not real. That is fantasy. And then there's historical fiction. It takes place in a period in the past. The setting is real, but the characters are made up. So, Island of the Blue Dolphins, Bud Not Buddy, these all took place back in time, and that's what makes it historical. Science fiction. It's a type of fantasy, but it's based on technology, computers, robots, space aliens, other planets, time machines. So, now we are going to play a game to see if we how much we can figure out our genre. So let me escape out of here, and we're going to head on over to our subgenre slide. Okay, so this is called Flash the Genre Game. Here we go. I'm going to present just for fun. Okay, the first one is an easy one. Fiction or nonfiction? Put your answer in the chat, please. They came upon a mission of mercy, but now they're fighting for their lives. High schooler Will Peterson and three friends journeyed to Central America to help rebuild a school. In a poor, secluded mountain village, they won the hearts of the local people with their energy and kindness. But in one sudden moment, everything went horribly wrong. A revolution swept the country. Now, guns and terror are everywhere, and Americans are being targeted as the first to die. Is this book, If We Survive? Is this fiction or is this nonfiction?